It's pretty early. That's why I am outside, so I don't wake everybody up. The video that I originally filmed to do this, the audio's kind of screwed up, so I didn't like it. So sorry, Duck, you're not in this one. I still got to check the other one. But if it's as bad, yeah. But anyways, I'm going to do a review of these gloves. These are my new Sedici Ultimos. These things are really comfortable. When I first got them, the feeling through them was a little bit hard because, I mean, it's a thick leather. I mean, you look at here, you got your wrist strap to tighten around your wrist, and then it seals with the double loop right there. You've got ventilation right there, and it flows some good air, and you can see all the perforations, so it is getting a good airflow. You've got carbon fiber. I don't know if it's true carbon fiber, but it's carbon fiber looking hard knuckle armor across all the other fingers as well, minus your pinky and thumb. But your thumb has some soft armor along with your wrist. You've got some good armor. The palm has goat skin and reinforcing it, and I kind of dig this tan. It just breaks it up a little bit. And it's got your padding here to kind of help vibration. It has it on the right hand glove as well. They're obviously identical. I'm not sure what the whole number 16 on the cuff is about, but they're let's say they're like $80 on Revzilla. They're less than $100 on Revzilla, and it's a gauntlet glove. You got your triple Velcro seal. They're nice and thick and perforated, but they are cowhide, minus the palm, which is goat skin reinforced. For the price, you really cannot go wrong. Like I said, when I first got it, well, when I first wore them, they were a little hard to feel things through, but again, they're race gloves. I actually found them. The search I went was Revzilla. What was it? Revzilla gear gloves. Race, track, and road race, I want to say, and then Sedici. Yeah, for the price, they're great gloves. I kind of wish it had the little deal that goes across your pinky and ring finger to help keep you from, losing a pinky. But I mean, I like them. I really do. I wore them all day a couple weeks ago, and I didn't have one issue other than, like I said, at first they were kind of thick. I had to get them to wear down a little bit, not wear down, but to soften up a little bit to get a better feeling through them. They don't have the phone touch screen, the deal on the fingers, but I'm not really going to complain about that. That's not what they were meant for. They're meant to be a racing glove. And yes, I'm shivering a little bit because I wanted to make this video short, so I came outside at like 6:30 in the morning with no shirt on, and it's a bit nipply. But yeah, check these out. I mean, they're really comfortable. You got your openings back here to get some more airflow, I guess. I don't know exactly what that opening's for, but but yeah, they're nice gloves. And yes, I did pay for these with my own money out of my pocket. Nobody helped me get them, but yeah, if you're looking for a nice set of gloves, you want to go out with a glove, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money on them, check these out. They're really nice. I like them. It's the Sedici. Let's see, that's where I'm not sure. And Duck says Sedici, and I'm not sure if it's Sedici or Sedici. I'm not 100% sure. But Duck says Sedici, and that just kind of comes natural, so Sedici. Sedici Ultimos. And I got a size small, and they fit great, because I have small hands. But yeah, there you go. There's a review of the Sedici Ultimo gloves. And yes, I have worn them. It's not just a guessing game.